guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create categories as well as like the channels itself. So you'll need to be an admin or the owner of the server, of course. Select this button right here and you're just going to select create category. So what categories are, it's like these ones, like the text and voice channels, those are categories and these are channels. So you want to make a new category. For instance, you're just going to select this bit and you're going to select create category. Maybe you want to name it gaming channel. Select create category and it's going to be here, and you can create channels, voice, or I'm trying to type in Valorant. Gaming channel like Valorant, Fortnite maybe, Phasmo, Apex. And yeah, that's how you can create channels and categories on Discord. You can move them around as well if you'd like to, like that. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!